guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 luxury beauty items that I think would be perfect for Mother's Day. This, of course, could be for your mom or for someone that is like a mom to you in your life, or even a friend that is a mom that you just want to spoil. I think all of these would be perfect. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Jenna Fraze. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out this video today. I do 3 beauty videos a week that are all about high-end and luxury beauty products, so if you're just as into that as I am, I'm sure we'd get along great. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as a little bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to this video. The first product I'm going to mention to you guys is from a brand I've been loving for over a year now. These are the Emile Cordon lip pots. As you can see, the packaging is gorgeous looking, very luxurious. I think it would look beautiful on a vanity or a bedside table. They are only available through Emile Cordon's website. They are $42 US each. When I made my first order through the brand's website, I ended up getting 2 of them. The first one is number 43 Pamela, which is the Mediterranean fig one, and the other one I bought is the yellow one. It's number 29 Dorine, I think, or Doreen. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the neroli and lemon leaves one. I use them both as a lip treatment and to protect my cuticles. The company also reached out to me a couple of months ago and they asked me if I had tried their product before and if I would be interested in trying it. I was honest with them. I said, I already love your product, guys, no worries. And they said, well, we'll just send you 2 more anyway because you're such a fan. So I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for sending more to me. So I ended up getting number 72 Cocoa, which is the white coconut cake. This one is a beautiful kind of translucent white color. The other one they sent me is their best seller. This is number 1 Lisa in Rosé Champagne. It is a gorgeous pink color. This video is not sponsored by them whatsoever, but I just wanted to share with you guys my genuine love for this product and how I think it would make a perfect Mother's Day present. Product number 2 is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I've been raving about this for a couple of months now. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I've been using this palette non-stop. It is available at Anastasia's website as well as at Sephora. It's $42 American or 55 Canadian dollars. These shadows work great. They blend super well, richly pigmented. When I think about the perfect eyeshadow palette for Mother's Day, I think about elegance, like neutral looks with the pops of pink, just a little bit of some soft glam. So I do think that the soft glam palette would be the perfect palette for Mother's Day. If the mom in your life is all about her hair and having hair treatments and taking care of her hair, product number 3 that I think would be perfect for Valentine's Day is by Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. You definitely get a generous sized tub. It will last a number of uses, which is perfect. I've now been using it for a month now, and it honestly does not take very long to fall in love with. I highly recommend this mask. This product is available at Sephora for $36 American or 46 Canadian dollars. There's lots of great ingredients in here too, guys. There's no parabens, no sulfates. I've honestly been loving this, and I think this would make the perfect gift for your mom if she's all about her hair. When it comes to another great idea for Mother's Day, the next thing I think of is perfume. There are a lot of great perfumes out there, but there's definitely one brand that stands out as being luxurious and elegant. Product number 4 is from Jo Malone London. This is the Jo Malone London Cologne. The first one is the Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey. This is now my 2nd bottle. I absolutely love this. This one has notes of nectarine and peach, and there's honey in there. It's very fresh floral. It smells beautiful. This size here is the 30 ml bottle. It retails for 65 American dollars or 90 Canadian dollars. There's also a bigger bottle that I have personally never splurged on yet. That one is 135 American dollars or 175 Canadian dollars. The other 2 scents that I would recommend from her line are the Wild Bluebell scent. This one is also a fresh floral. It's got the bluebell notes as well as white musk. And the other one is the Mimosa and Cardamom. This one is also gorgeous with the notes of orange and mimosa and cardamom. So I guess like the name says. Anyways, these are amazing, guys. These scents are unique. They are unlike anything I have seen on the market before, so I really do think these would make the perfect gift for Mother's Day. My last item is for the mom that is all about her skincare. I absolutely love getting a mask for Mother's Day. I think that it would be a beautiful gift. Item number 5 is by Tatcha. This is the Luminous Deep Hydration Lifting Mask. These come individually or they come in a box set of 4. The box set is available at Sephora and it does retail for 95 American dollars or 115 Canadian dollars. These masks leave my skin feeling amazing. It's very hydrated, very glowy. This is definitely a luxurious sheet mask. This is not one that you're going to use every single day, but I do think this is a beautiful Mother's Day gift. I highly recommend it. Anyways, guys, those are my top 5 luxury beauty items I think would make a perfect gift for Mother's Day. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And until my next video, guys, take care. Happy Mother's Day shopping. Thanks for watching. Bye!